Hello class, good morning. This is Leah and today I will not be in school, so that's why I'm making this video intended for you to learn how to multiply monomials. So last week we're already done with monomials, adding monomials, binomials, and you already know the degree and coefficients, variables, and all of these things. So now we'll be talking about multiplying monomials. So to multiply monomials, first is you have to multiply its coefficients. Coefficients are those numbers that's present in the term. Let's say, for example, 5x squared. So the coefficient is 5. And the variable is the x. And 2 is the exponent. Okay? So second is combine the variables. So you can only combine the variables if they have the same variables. For example, all of the terms have x variables, so you can combine them. But if they have different terms, like this one, x, y, and the other one is z, so you cannot combine these terms. You cannot combine these variables because they have different bases. So for example, let's go to an example. I erase it. Okay, 5x squared, and then let's say negative 3y. What's the other number? 7z cubed. So first step is multiply the coefficients. So let's get the coefficients of this. So we have 5 and multiply it by negative 3. This is multiplication, and multiply it by 7. So let me encircle so these are the coefficients: 5, negative 3, include the sign also, and then 7. So 5 times negative 3 and then times 7, that is negative 105. And now you have to combine. Second step is combine the variables. So the variables are, let me see, I can see it. Okay, the variables are x squared, y, and then z cubed. But you cannot combine it together because they have different bases, so that means it's going to be remain. So your final answer would be negative, where is it? Negative 105, and then copy the variables x squared and y and then z cubed. So that's your final answer.